For my cardiorespiratory fitness assessment, I used the 1 mile walk and the 1 mile jog. The equipment I used was proper running attire, a 400-meter track, a pen and pencil and paper to record data, a scale, a stopwatch, and a heart rate monitor, which was optional. The jogging test is intended to be tested on men and women 18 to 29 years old, and the walking test is intended to be tested on men and women 20 to 69 years old. First, I took my weight on the scale, then continued with a warm-up of 5 to 10 minutes incorporating both static and dynamic stretches. It is important to remember that these tests should not be performed at a maximal effort and should be performed at a submaximal rate. For the 1 mile jog, I will aim to run the mile at no less than 8 minutes, 9 for males. For the 1 mile walk, I will aim to finish as quickly as possible without advancing beyond a brisk walk. Because I am looking to test at a submaximal effort, my heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute. I can choose to take my heart rate one of two ways. At the radial heart rate, which can be found on the wrist at the side of the thumb, and at the carotid heart rate, found at the front of the neck just below the jaw. I will place my second and third fingers on the area and add slight pressure to feel for a pulse. I will then count the number of pulses in 15 seconds and multiply by 4 for the heart rate over the time span of a minute. Displayed above is the data collected for the submaximal cardiorespiratory fitness assessment. Also displayed above are the equations for the 1 mile jog and 1 mile walk VO2. Gender for each equation is represented by a 1 for men and a 0 for females. Also displayed above is how to convert minutes to seconds by dividing the seconds by 60. Subject 2 could not perform the jog due to an injury. I am subject 4. According to my classification, I am classified as average for the 1 mile jog and poor for the 1 mile walk.